Why should it be a crime? Why should it even be a subject where we are wasting taxpayers' money to distraction? Doesn't make any sense. Renu Amakiri is not an ambassador. Do not call the president drug law. It's Fanikayo. Voila. Did you know all insult the president?
Yes.
Why are you harassing Sowore for what? What for? I said I'm not going to join any protest again. They're making me come out and join
What is bad?
I said I'm not going to join any protest again because Nigerians are not ready.
Because you are real, sir. You are ready. DSS everywhere.
I said that the only condition I will join protest. I said the only condition I will join protest is if 1 million people come out. That's what I said. But look at me joining the protest. Why should we be protesting for somebody because the person is not president? Are people not insulting Trump every day?
A leader.
If you are not ready to be insulted, you should stay in your house.
Be a leader.
Do your normal business.
Yes.
But if you say you want to lead, you must submit yourself to insult now and name calling.
Yes.
And Sowore is a presidential candidate.
Yes.
Why are you trying to prevent him from contesting? Why? It now looks desperate as if they don't want Sowore to contest the next election. Exactly. What is the desperation about, for God's sake? Allow the man to contest.
Yes.
He's a presidential candidate.
Yes.
You don't get crowd.
Yes.
It's why it's bitter.
What is the issue? What is the issue really? The fear of the
I fear.
Close to the bleed.
Deji they talk.
They bleed. And they feel that.
very bad.
They pay now.
I swear.
They don't do the right thing. Let them free am.
Look at the amount of security mobilization DSS. These people should be in Sambisa forest.
Or your forest.
Or your.
This
This is why there is insecurity in the country. They even guide them to toilet.
They guided him to
Finish your war right now.
no Bible taught according to this man. This is taught.
Finish your war right now.
It's very, very annoying.
Sir,
What are you expecting? The mobilization on the street, you have to focus on the mobilization. Nothing is going to come out.
Yes.
Please go back. Go back to the barricade. Go back. Go back.
So with what happened on the last day, and Mr. Sowore claimed they broke his hand. Now, is there any action against that? Because that was proper abduction, or let's call kidnapping. But when he makes himself available for arrest or taking him to prison and abducting him in that manner, what can you say?
It's not what happened to Sowore in open court. It's discretion of the court. You can't even make an arrest in the precinct of the court. It's unlawful. Yes. The abduction, harassment, intimidation, and dehumanization of Sowore in open court. It's an assault on our constitutional democracy. It's separation of powers. And this thing was allowed when we allowed DSS invade the court and take over the court during Nnamdi Kanu. Yes. And we allowed it.
yes.
You cannot have a judiciary that is being openly desecrated and assaulted, and nobody is being held accountable, nobody is being punished. It is Sowore today, you may not like Sowore.
Yes.
But tomorrow it can be you. First it happened to Nnamdi Kanu, we say we did not like Nnamdi Kanu. Now it's happening to Sowore. Who is next? It can be me next.
Yes.
So if we all keep quiet, we don't see anything, we don't do anything,
No problem.
then it is inevitable that it can happen to somebody else. So we must condemn it. We must condemn the dehumanization.
Another one, from the look of team, DSS is more intelligent people and security agents in our country right now.
Have we seen any intelligence here now?
Okay, but
The harassment. Is
we
there
have
any
never
intelligence?
seen them at war front in fighting of bandits. I swear, Boko Haram. Is there anything you feel you can pass a message to the government to combine the DSS and the army instead of putting them on the
Let's go. Let's go
Let's
go down. Because it looks like we are distracted.
our party free of charge.
Our president.
Hey, Nigerian people!
Wait,
Una dey sleep? No. Hey, Nigerian people! Free Sowore now! Free Sowore now! Free Sowore now! Free Sowore now! Free
I talk to Arewa people. Wait, ina mutanen Arewa kuke? A'a ba kwana bana jin muryan ku. Ina mutanen Arewa? Ina son mika sako ga gwamnati. Jami'an tsaro duka duniya gaba daya. Wannan gwamnatin da muke da shi gaskiya ya zama cewa ba zagi su aike ba, amma gwamnatin azalumai ne. Gwamnati wanda ana cucin mutane, a hana mu kuka, a hana mu magana, kuma a daige cin ubanmu. Ba za mu yadda ba, ku ce ba za mu yadda ba. Ba za mu yadda ba. Shugabanmu wanda ake kira Sowore domin ya zage shugaban kasa, an ɗauke shi an je an sa shi a gidan yari. Ku ce free Sowore now. Free Sowore now. Free Sowore now. Free Sowore now. Sun san cewa yara ne wanda babu abin da yake hana su fitowa. In za a kashe mu duka. Ko da yake ‘yan ta'adda ko mu fita ko ba mu fita ba mutuwa muke. Ka zauna a gidanka a zo a sashe ka. Kana tafiya a zo a sashe ka. Ba kudin jirgin sama sai jirgin kasa. Jirgin kasa ma sai da connection. Mota mun shiga kidnappers dauke mu. Wai idan ba su masu ba da harbe su. Kafin mu sani sai a ce wai accidental discharge. To wallahi muna gaya musu ranan da za su yi kuskure su kashe mutum ɗaya. Sai sun kashe dukanmu. Ranan da za su ci accidental discharge su kashe mutum ɗaya sai sun kashe dukanmu. Idan an kira ku zo ku wulakanta mu mun ki ba za mu yadda ba. Za mu zauna za mu ci gaba nan ku yi abin da kuka gan dama, amma kar ku yi fada, kar ku yi fashe-fashe, kar ku yi wani abin da doka bai dauka ba. Allah ya taimake mu. Free Sowore now. Free Sowore now. Free Sowore now. Free Sowore now. Thank you. So,
as you can see, all other comrades, they have spoken, and that's the challenges that we have been facing in our country. We are not in a banana republic. We are not in a banana republic. You can see the court premises. Court premises is not even conducive for citizens. So we are using this medium to send a strong message to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This is a democratic country, not a military. See soldier, see military, see DSS, coercing people, coercing, intimidating people. This is a court, not a barrack. See how they lay feet on citizens. So if the Attorney General and even President can still be channeling for his policy, wasting our money towards things like this, you can see we haven't gotten ourselves in this global village. President, a democratic president, coercing people with military force. We haven't gotten ourselves as a nation, and that's the reality. See DSS everywhere.